Hi guys, my name is Siam and today we will be creating a DIY compost bin. Composting helps the environment in a positive way. Every household has organic waste that can be used for making compost. By doing this, it's not only enriching the soil for garden use at home, but it's significantly reducing the amount of landfill dumps. It also cleans up the environment. So without further ado, let's get to it. So before we begin, we have to make sure we have all these items. A medium-sized bin, the compost we have been collecting, a drill, and a bucket of soil. So now to get started, we have to draw 8 circular holes on the bucket, so when we're drilling, we can make sure they're perfect. Okay, so now we will take the drill and we'll start drilling the holes that we have created with the mocker. So now you have to make sure you have a tray underneath, so when we create the compost bin, we have to make sure we collect all the excess water. So now the next step is to take your bucket of soil and make a layer of soil in your bucket. And you can spread it out as a layer to make sure you have it perfectly. Next, we need to take the compost we've been collecting from our house and put it inside. Now we put a new layer of soil, then spread it out as a layer again. Then with your spade or any tool, mix the soil and the compost together. And then lastly, take old newspapers or any pieces of paper and put it inside the bucket. So this is to absorb all the excess water from the compost. And then with your spade, mix it again. And once it's properly mixed, now you can seal the bucket and keep it away from being toppled over. After a week, your compost set is ready and can be used in your garden use. If every household created a compost bin, it will not only reduce landfill dumps in your community, but it will also benefit us in many ways. It will create a lot of organic vegetables in our home farm, and also without use of fertilizers, it makes it more fresh. Catch me on a new episode of creating stationery holders with CDs. See you next time.